Reading the signatures and patterns from the heart is a cumbersome process these days. With all the clamping and cabling, it is very uncomfortable for patients, and doctors in certain cases do not get enough information to make a good diagnosis. But what if we told you that you could soon wear a device and even go home with it? From the capital of the southern Indian state of Telangana, this story of Indo-US collaboration is from the city of Hyderabad. Ravi Bhogu, the founder of Munitra Healthcare, is not a medical doctor or a software engineer, yet his startup marries medicine and technology. His is the first company in India to manufacture a wearable patch for heart disease management, especially cardiac arrhythmias. He has partnered with Joseph Menezes, project coordinator and global segment leader, Wearables, DuPont Performance Polymers at Sunnyvale, California. Rahul Mishra is complementing DuPont's US development effort by gathering Indian requirements and testing these materials in India.
Can you even notice that I'm wearing the device right now? I will open up the shirt and show you.
One can bathe with the device, walk with it, even jog and run. And while you sleep, this wearable device keeps recording all that your heart is up to. Here's a curtain raiser.
What you see here is our test setup. This is the body simulator which generates the human signals, and this gets transmitted to our electronics. The role of this device is to acquire signals, they digitize them, they compress them and transmit them wirelessly to the phone out here. All this information goes to our servers, which can be located anywhere in the world. Our current server is located in Bangalore.
The server applies heavy computation and machine learning to crunch the data
and gives meaningful information in the form of reports to physicians. Now what you see here is basically our earlier version of electronics. All the electronics which are miniaturized in the form of a patch and put in this form factor that you see out here.
This patch sitting later on a patient's chest would be the wearable device for heart disease management. It could be peeled off when required. People should not feel that they are wearing electronics, so the material must be breathable, lightweight, flexible and at the same time waterproof. Munitra is seized with the situation today.
And if you notice, this is very conforming to the skin. I'm able to bend this and yet it retains its position.
When a person feels any discomfort, this button could easily be pressed and the information is captured and sent to the cloud as an event.
I'm able to collect 10 days worth of data from the sensor and seamlessly save it on the server without any gaps, without any fails, in the most affordable manner.
And what's more, even if the patient fails to push the button, but it is an event, the analysis engine takes care of it.
So what you see here is a couple of snapshots of the power of our algorithm. So what it does is it distinguishes between what is a normal beat and an abnormal beat. You know, we have a sophisticated algorithm which is able to pick up the right information even though there is noise.
And if it requires immediate attention, care could also be provided well on time.
Our slogan is to capture cardiac events anytime, anywhere across the world.